Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. In this video, Scientellectual is providing informations regarding another two sections under Chapter 4 of Indian Patents Act 1970. The sections are Section 18, Power of Controller in cases of anticipation, and Section 19, Power of Controller in cases of potential infringement. Let's discuss Section 18 first. Power of Controller in cases of anticipation. Now, anticipation has been discussed under Section 13 in our previous video. Subsection 1 under Section 18. If controller thinks that the invention claimed in the complete specification has been anticipated in the manner referred to Section 13(1)(a) or 13(2), he may refuse the application unless the applicant satisfies the controller that the priority date of applicant's application is not later than the date on which the relevant document was published. That is, priority date of applicant's application is earlier than the other application. Or the applicant may amend his complete specification to satisfy the controller. The relevant rules are Rule 28, 28A, 29, 30 and 31. Subsection 2 under Section 18. If controller thinks that the invention claimed in the complete specification has been anticipated as referred to Section 13(1)(b), in that case he may direct that a reference to that other specification should be inserted by way of notice to the public in the applicant's complete specification, unless the applicant satisfies the controller proving that the priority date of claim is not later than the priority date of the claim of the other specification, or the applicant may amend the specification to satisfy the controller. Now, if the applicant's specification is otherwise in order for grant and an objection under Section 13(1)(b) is outstanding, in that case, controller may postpone the grant and allow a period of 2 months to remove the objection. Subsection 3 under Section 18. If the controller thinks, as a result of investigation under Section 13, that the invention claimed in the complete specification of applicant is already claimed in any other complete specification as referred to Section 13(1)(a), and such other complete specification is published on or after the date of priority of applicant's claim. In that case, unless the applicant satisfies the controller that the date of priority of applicant's claim is earlier than the date of priority of other specifications claim, the provision of subsection 2 applies in same manner here also. Now, in case of subsection 2 or subsection 1 under Section 18, it says about same Act 1970. But in case of subsection 3 of Section 18, it deals with two different acts, 1911 and 1970, both. Let's look at Rule 28. The steps are like this. First, let the anticipation is occurred as under Section 13(1)(a) or 2. Then applicant will be communicated and opportunity to amend will be given to him. Next step is hearing. If applicant contests the objection, that is, he is not willing to amend the application, or he is willing to amend the objection, in that case he will refile the specification. In both the cases, request for hearing to be done within 1 month from the date of communication. And he will let the controller know within 10 days of hearing notice that whether he will be present or absent during hearing session. And based on hearing, the controller will be having the opinion of refusal or grant of the application. Let's have a look at Rule 30 and 31. Now, if anticipation occurs, an applicant requests for amendment, or if the objection is not removed within 2 months as discussed in earlier slides, then in that case hearing will be the next step. If applicant contests the objection or he refiles the amended specification, in both the cases, request for hearing will be done within 1 month from the date of communication. And within 10 days of hearing notice, applicant will let the controller know whether he will be present or absent during hearing. Based on hearing, if controller has the opinion that reference to be inserted in applicant's specification, it will be inserted after claim as reference has been directed in pursuance of section 18(2) of the Patents Act 1970 to the specification filed in pursuance of application number such. Let's discuss section 19. Power of controller in cases of potential infringement. Subsection 1. If the controller thinks that the invention in respect of which the application has been made cannot be performed without substantial risk of infringement of claim of any other patent, he may direct that reference to the other patent to be inserted in applicant's complete specification, unless the applicant satisfies the controller that there are reasonable ground for contesting the validity of the such claim of other patent. That is, in case the other claim of other patent is not valid, then there is no point to refer those claims, or the applicant satisfies the controller by amending his own application. The relevant rules are Rule 32 and Rule 33. The rule says that whatever will be the controller's opinion, it will be informed to the applicant. And reference, if it is inserted, it will be inserted in applicant specification after claim, as reference has been directed in pursuance of section 19(1) of the Patents Act 1970 to patent number such. Subsection 2 under section 19. It deals with what happens after insertion of reference. Now, after reference to another patent has been inserted in complete specification of applicant, if the other patent is revoked or ceased to be in force, or specification of the other patent is amended by deleting that claim, or it is found in proceedings before the court or the controller that the relevant claim of that other patent is invalid, in that case there is no point to refer those claims, and in that case controller may delete the reference to that other patent. Thank you viewers for watching the video. Please give a like and share and subscribe our channel Scientellectual. We are aiming to provide you all the necessary informations regarding section, rule, form, fee related to Indian Patents Act 1970. This will be very helpful during the preparation of Indian Patent Agent exam. Thank you very much.